Hi everybody, my name's Brian. I'm with Granite State Epoxy. We're in Drake, Mass, on site at RCC Classics, where we've just finished putting down the Crown Polymers polyaspartic top coat on top of the flake. Today we started off by scraping the flakes that were put down yesterday. We went ahead and vacuumed the entire floor. The guys then walked the floor to check for any imperfections so they could fix it before applying the polyaspartic top coat. We use polyaspartic from Crown Polymers for our top coat for ease of installation, durability, and performance characteristics. The polyaspartic top coat usually cures within 4 hours. We're going to give it a full 24 just to make sure it's completely cured. After that, we're going to be excited to show you the final product.